Good evening, everyone. My name is Tyler. This is Michael, Harvey, and Dan, and we're co-founders of a Massachusetts-based company called University Apps LLC. We are currently developing a software solution that's geared towards helping students help themselves. So the fundamental problem right now is the way in which students access the campus information. So if you look at this right here, this is the UMass Lowell dining website. So up in here is the corner where you would actually find that information. So typically students have to zoom in and zoom out of the respective areas of where they're trying, the type of information they're trying to find. Another thing is, how do they even get to this website? You have to type in www.uml.edu/whatever feature you're trying to find, or type in UMass Lowell Dining into a search engine such as Google. So in order to reduce that, you should be able to, in 4 button clicks, instead of typing in www. You should be able to find that information sooner. So what we're trying to do is eliminate all this unnecessary content and focus on just the features that people want to use, and reduce the amount of time in which students can access that campus information, and ultimately give students what they want.
So our solution is a simple and intuitive mobile application that will have customizable features to each university that we release to. So our goal is to take campus information and put it into a centralized location that students can use every day. For example, we're going to have an academic directory where you can find all academic related information, transportation where you can find busing lines, things of that nature, a dining feature where you can find places on and off campus to eat, a textbook and ticket exchange where students could buy and sell textbooks as well as sell tickets for local events or for UMass events. And there'll also be an events, sports, and news section for entertainment and social media. And there will be a campus deals section where we would basically make deals with local businesses to give students an opportunity to be able to get products or services at a discount. And so really our goal is, we're providing a faster and more efficient way of accessing this information, so therefore the university is more connected as a whole.
Stemming from our solution, we have our opportunities, which are the pairing of the smartphone market and the higher education market. UA is in the process of developing for Android and Apple's iOS platforms. The two of these combined comprise about 92% of the market share, and alone 76% of that is Android. So these will be the two that we want to capitalize on most. Also putting their name in the game is Microsoft's Windows Phone, which has a substantial growth of about 156% year over year. So now transitioning over to the university student market, 73% of the student population in the United States is currently using a smartphone around campus. So we can see here this 300% is incorrect, it's actually 170%, but that steady growth over a 5-year span is about 170%. The National Center for Education Statistics reports a record 21.8 million students in the United States alone. Taking this 73% of the record 21.8 gives University Apps a target market of about 16 million students. These statistics support UA's capitalization on the continuously growing university student market and the smartphone market. As a last tidbit, it is estimated that roughly 90% of students by the year 2016 will obtain a smartphone.
We're going to go into resources now, and these are the utilities that will help us succeed. First and foremost is the students. Our slogan is helping students help themselves, so we'd like this to be the #1 app that students use. We want it to be an all-in-one guide to their campus, whether it's dining, eating, academics, and things of that nature. University support's a big one too, from everyone from the president down to the IT staff. We need the access to their servers and that type of information. We need their backing and support. Speaking of servers, if we have a lot of downloads, say 5,000 to 10,000 downloads the first year and increments after that, we're going to need to have a place to store all this data. We're going to need fast, reliable servers. We're not going to want the app crashing during finals week or when a student has a test or a project upcoming. We want them to use this app at all points of their education. Mentorship, it would be great if we could get some entrepreneurs that have experience in the field, some IT professionals, and also some finance help. And going into that, if this takes off and we start to release on more than one school, say the other UMass campuses, we would like to open a payroll office, have some legal help, and at some point have a physical office location, because right now we don't have one. And it would be great to meet with customers face to face, have people come in and talk about what they want us to improve, what changes they would like to see, and things of that nature. So with that said, on behalf of myself, Harvey, Mike, and Tyler, we'd like to thank you for your time and open it now for questions.